Welcome back to channel everyone. In this video I'm going to talk about how you can convert your Excel date and time using Power Automate so that you can save that either into your email or either can save that into your SharePoint list. Generally what happens is whenever we fetch date and time from Excel data, it returns us a decimal number because Excel count these date from 1899 as the number of days. So whenever you will deal with date and time, it will give you a decimal number. So in this video we'll solve that issue with the minimum step performed. So let's just directly jump into our Power Automate. I'll try to create an instant cloud flow, manually trigger my flow, and flow name will be Excel date time. Create your flow. First step I'm going to perform is get the Excel data. List row present in table. I have saved my Excel sheet inside my dev SharePoint site. Document library is forms. File name is date.xlsx and table is table1. When I just save this and run this flow, I'll go in output, and as you can see in the body, the start time and the completion time is giving as a decimal number. So how we can convert this into actual date and time? I'll go into my Power Automate, added this one, show advanced option. What I have to do is select this ISO 8601 and save your flow, and based on this list data I'm gonna create item in my SharePoint list. I have a dev site again and the list name is date list, this one, and I have a start time and completion times as in date time column which I've created here. So what I'll do in the title section, I'll just give ID of this list row present in table, and with the start time I will give start time of this and the completion time of this. Save a flow, run this. My flow ran successfully here. I'll go to my date list. As you can see, my date and time coming properly here. Even I've tried to edit this one. I can go and can change date and time as well. All right. So now you can see you have new date and times available here. So that way we can change date time into SharePoint list as well. And one more thing I want to showcase is, so this is for when you're trying to add an update into your SharePoint list. So what if I want to fetch this data and want to send that over to my email? In that case, I'll create an HTML table out of this. Create HTML table from value of my list row present in table. I'll create a custom table and I'll type start time, and in the value section what I have to do is type formatDateTime, and inside this one I will select this item, the string value that is start time, comma, colon, so it will be like dd YY, and then hours, minutes and second, and then This is for AM and PM. Our entire thing is done. I will check. So it is only putting my MMDDYY, not the time. So I'll just cancel this one, paste the entire expression here again. You have to check whether it is getting all things that you have inserted. Yeah, now it is getting. Save this one. Try to send this over email. I will send email to myself. Date field, and I will attach the output of the HTML table in body. Save this, run your flow. My flow ran successfully. I'll go to my mail. Now you can see date field as in subject, and I have all the start time date field with exact date and time, which I have in my Excel here. So you can match this with this one, and I'm getting exactly the same. So this way you can actually get your date and time field and can apply into a different scenario. So using this way, which I have applied here in my this create HTML table, you can use it for generating a customized PDF out of it, the HTML layout out of it, and you can send it across to your email. So that's up to your requirement. So I hope you like this video. If you do like, don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thank you so much for watching.